Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today I want to share with you guys this book that I received. I'm so proud of my friend Francesca because she put out this book. It's a junk journal book, and I am so excited to share it with you guys. So I'm just gonna kind of flip through it really quickly, so you guys kind of get an idea, and then I'm going to talk a little bit about it. Now, I didn't actually use it just yet because I wanted to keep it kind of in pristine condition for the video, but I will be going through this because this book is actually like a workbook. So you will have questions that you can go in and answer. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. So basically, Francesca wrote a book. It's called Junk Journal Joy, and I think that you guys all know her. I mean, you guys all know her channel, right? Junk Journal Joy. If you don't, by some chance, go and check her out because she has great videos. I love her videos, and I love her accent too. She's from Italy, or she lives in Italy. And she also shares, like, sometimes she'll share like places she goes, and oh my gosh, I love Italy, so I love to see like glimpses of her home, basically. But anyways, let's get back to this. She talks, so she wrote a book, a junk journaling book, and she has so many different chapters in here. She talks about what a junk journal is, because I don't know if you guys have been online for a while. You know, there's a lot of debates going on about what a junk journal is. No, you can't use brand new things. Yes, you can. Oh, you can only use junk. No, you don't have to use junk. It kind of goes back and forth. So she kind of talks about a little bit about that. She talks about inspiration. She actually has a lot of questions to actually help you kind of figure out like maybe your style, or maybe just to be more thoughtful about when you actually journal, when you sit down and journal. What do you want that journal to be about? What do you want it to look like? So she kind of walks you through that process so that when you actually make a journal, I think the idea is basically you're going to go at it and be really mindful and create something that you will love and that is really special, and not just something you just kind of, I don't know, throw together or whatever. But I love that idea because it makes the journal really special by actually thinking about some of the questions she asks. I think that's genius, actually, because I think it's important to think about maybe like what you love about a journal and things like that. So the idea is when you sit down and create, you're basically being a little bit mindful and thinking about like what colors you love and things like that. But anyways, I'm trying not to go too much into it because there's a lot of questions and she kind of leads you through it. I read through it a little bit, but I didn't work through it yet. Okay. So, then she also has different tutorials. And again, I don't want to like open and show everything because then what's the point of, like buying the book, basically. But I do want to encourage you guys, if you are new to junk journaling, this is a great resource. If you aren't new to junk journaling, I still think this is a great resource because I think that even I've been doing junk journaling for a long time, and I've been creating like scrapbooks and different types of journals for like almost my whole life. And I still find this very, very helpful. I love her workbook section with the questions and answers, but I also love her tutorials because you get like step by step. There are different ideas she shares. And so it's a great resource to have. And honestly, I always love having some kind of like craft book that I can just take with me and read through. And especially now in the summer, like if I want to just spend some time outside, I can grab this book and just read it or read through it. And it kind of helps you kind of think about the process before you actually go to your craft room and start crafting. It kind of helps you like it prepares you for it, and it can also inspire you. So I really hope you guys go and take a look at this book. It's on Amazon, so you can have it in 2 days. I love that. So you guys can go check it out. I hope you guys will, and please let me know if you already purchased it or what you guys think of it. But yeah, take a look, and I'm really excited to actually start working in it. And you know what? I will let you guys know. I'll do an update maybe on it after I fill out the workbook part, and after I kind of work through. Maybe I'll do a project from here and I'll share it with you guys. There's different projects, tutorials in here. So yeah, go check it out. It's a great book, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys do pick it up, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I will add the Amazon link down below in the description box, so please go check it out, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.